Doing a video of the undercarriage of this Studebaker Hawk to show the condition. That it's in. Back end here is all nice and sound. You can see where I've scraped the undercoating off of the center floor pans. Undercoating is really thick on this. It's really difficult to get it all off. I put a different fuel line into this car. Built a little shield there. There you can see the condition of the floor pans. It's actually quite good. You gotta look past the undercoating that's still sticking there. I'm not gonna have enough time to clean all this undercoat off. Towards the back of the car. These floor pans here go into the rear. Again, showing it's all nice and solid. There's the heater core. Has a heater core under the floor pans on this car. And the engine. There's some oil leaks in the engine. Front oil seal is leaking. Now, get to the part where there's some repairs have been done to the floor pans. This is just behind the left front wheel. This is the area outside the frame on the left hand side where they've done a patch on the floor pans. Going down the left hand side outer here, this looks okay here. And a little bit of weakness over this support here. Tiny little hole here. Again, there's a patch in the floor pan above it. Going over to the other side, to the right rear front spring hanger. Can't see that it's had a repair done to that area yet, but it's not a really sound area either. Along here on the right outer, there's another patch on the floor pan here. Now, this is not the way that we'd repair things these days. We'd get a nice stamped new floor pan from one of the suppliers like Studebaker International and just weld that in. But this was probably done back in the olden days.